Important key points of this lecture include: what is provision for discount on sundry creditors? How to calculate provision for discount on creditors. Adjusting entry.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.
Provision for discount on sundry creditors. If the firm is to allow a cash discount to customers for early payments, it is quite possible that the firm may receive a discount by making early payment, which can be treated as income in the profit and loss account. Provision for discount on creditor is calculated at a certain percentage on sundry creditors. Example: the trial balance for the year ended December 31, 2021 shows sundry creditors $100,000. Provision for discount on creditors at 2%. Calculate provision for discount on creditors. Solution: $100,000 multiplied by 2 divided 100 equal to $2,000. Provision for discount on creditor is $2,000. Accounting entry will be: provision for discount on creditors account debited with $2,000. To profit and loss account is credited with $2,000. Treatment of provision for discount on creditors. Provision for discount on creditors will be shown on the credit side of profit and loss account, and on the liability side of the balance sheet, by way of deduction from sundry creditors.